welcome to Terrific Tuesday Story Times with Ms. Christine. I'm so glad you could join me today. Let's get started with our welcome song. Here, here, we're all here. Here, here, we're all here. Here, here, we're all here. We're all here in story time. Yay! If you're ready for a story, take a seat. If you're ready for a story, take a seat. Clap your hands and stomp your feet. Make your hands all nice and neat. If you're ready for a story, take a seat. Yay! And our first story today is called If You Give a Pig a Pancake. And it's written by Laura Numeroff and illustrated by Felicia. And I'm reading this story today with special permission from Harper Collins. So thank you so much, Harper Collins. If you give a pig a pancake. There's our little piggy friend. If you give a pig a pancake, she'll want some syrup to go with it. Of course, right? Pancakes are always good with syrup. You'll give her some of your favorite maple syrup. Yum. She'll probably get all sticky. So she'll want to take a bath. There she goes, up the stairs to the bathroom. She'll ask you for some bubbles. Look, she's going to jump in her bath. Whee! When you give her the bubbles, she'll probably ask for a toy. You'll have to find your rubber duck. The duck will remind her of the farm where she was born. She might feel homesick and want to visit her family. The duck will remind her of the farm where she was born. She might feel homesick and want to visit her family. She'll want you to come too. She'll look through your closet for a suitcase. Oh my goodness, look at the mess that Piggy's making in her closet. Then she'll look under your bed. When she's under the bed, she'll find your old tap shoes. She'll try them on. She'll probably need something special to wear with them. When she's all dressed, she'll ask for some music. You'll play your very best piano piece, and she'll start dancing. She found a sweater with a sunflower and a scarf. Wow, she's all dressed up. Then she'll want you to take her picture. So you'll have to get your camera. That poor girl's going to be tired. She's got her running. That Piggy's got her running. When she sees the picture, she'll ask you to take more. Then she'll want to send one to each of her friends. You'll have to give her some envelopes and stamps. Wow, she's got lots of friends. She's a popular piggy. And take her to the mailbox. Goodness. On the way, she'll see the tree in your backyard. She'll want to build a tree house. So you'll have to get her some wood, a hammer, and some nails. When the tree house is finished, taking a break in the wheelbarrow, I don't blame her. She'll want to decorate it. Looks like a barn, huh, her tree house. She'll ask for wallpaper and glue. When she hangs the wallpaper, she'll get all sticky. Oh my goodness. She'll probably ask you for some, feeling sticky will remind her of your favorite maple syrup. She'll probably ask you for some. And chances are, if she asks you for some syrup, she'll want a pancake to go with it. Here we go again. Her friend is so tired. The end. It's a great story by Laura Numeroff. And thank you so much to Harper Collins for permission to read this to you. Now we have a song about 5 little pigs. We're going to need our 5 fingers for this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 fingers. 5 little piggies rolled in the mud. Squishy, squashy, it felt good. The farmer took one piggy out. Oink, 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 that piggy did shout. So now how many piggies do we have left? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 little piggies rolled in the mud. Squishy, squashy, it felt good. The farmer took one piggy out. Oink, 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 that piggy did shout. Now we have how many left? 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 little piggies rolled in the mud. Squishy, squashy, it felt good. The farmer took one piggy out. Oink, 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 that piggy did shout. Now we have what? Just 2 left. 2 little piggies. 2 little piggies rolled in the mud. Squishy, squashy, it felt good. The farmer took one piggy out. Oink, 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 that piggy did shout. Oh, just 1 little piggy left. 1 little piggy rolled in the mud. Squishy, squashy, it felt good. The farmer took one piggy out. Oink, 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 that piggy did shout. No little piggies. No little piggies rolled in the mud. They all look so clean and good. The farmer turned his back and then said, no, no, no. Those piggies rolled in the mud again. That was fun, huh? Fun little finger play about 5 little piggies. And now it's time for our next story, which is called Pignic. And it's written and illustrated by Matt Phelan. And this is also published by Harper Collins, whom I have special permission from to read this story to you. So thank you so much again, Harper Collins. And this is Pignic. Oh, it's a happy little piggy there. There they are. Look at all the piggies. They got their picnic basket. Oh, looks like they're going to have fun. Do you like going on picnics? I do. They're a lot of fun, huh? It's a perfect day for a picnic. There's a tree to climb. Uh-oh. Too high. Aw, that one little piggy couldn't climb. And there's his friend Turtle. His friend Birdie up there. And another piggy up there. Like a bird, another piggy. Another piggy way up on the hill. Oh, look what his friend Turtle's doing. He's being a good friend, huh? He's helping. I think he's gonna step on his shell so he can reach the branch and climb up. Hooray! Oh, he's so happy. He gets to join his friend in the tree. There is a kite to fly. A big, nice red kite. But look who's coming. Who's that? The big bad wolf. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. No wind. Can't fly a kite without any wind, can you? No. No, it doesn't work too well without any wind. Puff! Puff! Oh, look, the wolf is blowing some wind for them. Hooray! Look at that kite way up in the sky. Wolf is a good friend too, isn't he, to the piggies? How nice of him. Pretzels, pies, pickles, and plums. Mmm. Look at that yummy picnic, and they all start with P, on the letter P. the piggies having fun at their picnic. Their pignic, I should say. Uh-oh, dark clouds. It's like the rain is coming in. Oh, here it comes. Here's the rain. Mud? Mud. Oh, look at the piggies in the mud. They love to play in the mud. Hooray! Hooray! What fun. What a perfect day for a picnic. Oh, there's a little one. Oh, Mommy or Daddy's back. They had a fun day, huh? The end. And that was Pignic. Again, special thanks to Harper Collins for permission to read this to you today. Okay, today's flannel board nursery rhyme is Little Miss Muffet. I'm sure many of you know. Little Miss Muffet. Straight on there, there we go. Sat on her tuffet. Like a little stool, her tuffet. Eating her curds and whey. Along came a spider. And sat down beside her and frightened Miss Muffet away. Here she goes. Okay, I'm gonna get one more time. Little Miss Muffet sat on a tuffet. Oops. You want to stay on there, huh? Little Miss Muffet. Sat on a tuffet, eating her curds and whey. Along came a spider and sat down beside her and frightened Miss Muffet away. Okay, time for our goodbye song. Thanks for sitting, thanks for listening, thanks for joining me today. Now that story time is over, hope you have a lovely day. Thank you so much for joining me for Terrific Tuesday Storytime. I hope you can join me again next week. Thanks again. Have a great week. Bye.